So here's a quick tip if you want to get 2 boilies on your hair rig, but the hair rig's not quite long enough to give you enough space. What you need is one of these, a little extender, and I'll show you how that works. So we just need to drill 2 boilies. Then with the baiting needle we can thread them through at the same time. So put one on, put the other one on. You got the 2 on. Then you can put them on the hair rig. So there's just a little tab end now and there's not enough space. So we need to hook this extender over the end. We can use the needle to help with that. Just get that point into the loop. So now we've got that in the loop and we can pull it like that, then slide this back over and the next one, and now you have a double boilie rig on a standard length hair.